So I've been excited to show you all this. Earlier in an earlier video, I showed you that I acquired a really nice coin collection for relatively cheap, full of lots of silver, as you can see. Walking Liberties, Benjamins, Silver Kennedys, and just a whole variety of coins I've organized. Haven't gone through all of them yet, but at the bottom of the pile I found these two. The one on the left is a 1792 French 12 Denier, which about 4 million, I believe, were minted, and this really, old, almost looks circulated, 2-cent piece. But I've spent hours over the microscope looking for a date. So to me, it looks, I found a 3, which the only date that has a 3 is a 1873, which has about only 1100 minted, and they're all proofs. So if this is indeed a 73, it is extremely rare. Super excited to find it. This was minted about the time Ulysses Grant was president, or became president. So this is great. At the end of this video, I'll either try to show you a video of the microscope, see if I can show you the 3, see if you see it. If not, I'll put some stills up. But all in all, really nice, super excited. So great find, super rare. So we'll see you guys next when I go through all of these, especially a lot of the silver. And yeah, see you guys soon.